Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Today's video is about winter time and your tire pressure. So, first time the weather's been decent, I checked my air, and this gauge here I got, it goes up to 60 psi. Now normally I like to run my air pressure around 44. That gives me the best fuel mileage. So if you notice, if your fuel mileage is really bad, check the air in your tires. So this one here, I have about 35 psi in it. Okay, the lowest I believe is on that side is like 25. I don't know why, it just is. So let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, so like I say, only thing you do is you just push this thing on, and it says 35. So my air compressor is always on. There we go. So I just air it up. I'm up to 40. Now I need 4 more psi, and then I'm good. And then we'll go to the other side. And we're right at oh, that's right, that one didn't have it on. So we're sitting right at about 44. Now let me show you on the other side. Okay. Actually, it was the right rear that was 20 something, but this one here looks pretty low too. This one sits about 32. So you think about it, your tires last longer, you get better traction with snow and ice, and better gas mileage. Win, win, win. Now, I got too much air in it. Well, what do? You do this. You just put it right on the edge and the air passes by. Then you check it again, you do it again. Right on the money. Then we just put our cap on. Now, there's one other thing. Now, if you have one, you better check it too. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. We got to go down. One, guys, your spare tire. Now let's see, where is, there it is. Check the air in your spare, because if you get a flat, you see what I have, not much of anything. If you get a flat, there's no point putting this thing on. Now this is, I don't think it's a full-size spare. It may be. But we're going to run the same pressure, which is right about there. So, you can't forget a spare. Just remember, guys, it don't cost much to keep air in your tires. Pay only a few bucks for this thing. You can get one of those little portable chargers, air compressors, you know, and all that stuff. You can have it already in your vehicle, or for me, I spent $300 something. I got a regular air compressor that plugs into a regular outlet. And I got an air line coiled up here to where I can stretch it out here. It doesn't take much. But when you go on a trip, I do have a battery operated air compressor. It plugs into the power supply inside the vehicle. And if your tire goes low, stop, rest, fill up your air. If you're pulling a trailer, you want to make sure that it's full of air in the tires. So that's it for this video. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time here on Lynn's Homestead.